What's going on, guys? Reed from the Scruffie here. I'm going to do a demonstration to show you how to use the Scruffie to shave the back of your neck with it. Going to hop in the shower real quick, come out, and show you how to use it. Now, I just took a shower, just applied a pre-shave to the back of my neck. My neck looks like before using the Scruffie. Pretty messy and pretty hairy. Now you want to make sure you gently wrap the Scruffie around the back of your neck, placing it right under your neckline. Okay, so that is how you use the Scruffie. Let's see how I did. And that's it. If you have any questions, guys, please let me know. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.